So today we are seeing how many rides we can do in Chessington in the peak of summer. It is the middle of August. We are seeing how many we can get through. It is very busy here today, very hot. So let's see how many we can get through. Okay, we're heading straight to the world of Jumanji and we're going to do Mandrill Mayhem. Okay, so now we're in the queue for Dragon's Fury. We've never actually done this one before. It's a 55-minute wait, so let's see how long we queue for. An hour and a half later and we're still in the queue. Okay, so it said 55 minutes, we ended up queuing 80. Crazy, it ended up breaking down as well. So far we've done 4 rides and it is 12:30, so we might grab some lunch now. We'll see. It's getting really hot. It's 26 degrees right now and it's 12:30, so we'll see what we do next. Dinner time. We just did rattlesnake for the first time. I already have bruises on my arms. It's so violent. Now we're doing ride number 6, which is the pirate ship. It's called Blue Barnacle. Ride number 7, Sea Storm. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock, the park shuts at 6. We're just about to do our final ride of the day, which is Mandrill Mayhem again. This will be ride number 10. So it is 5:40 and we are calling it a day after 10 rides. Very successful day. Let's do it all again tomorrow. Good night. Right, ride number 1 of the day, Dragon's Fury. Let's go. So they let us in a bit early. They let us in at like 10 to. And we've done our first ride and it's not even 10 a.m. yet. So now we're heading to Jumanji. Ride number 3, Mamba Strike. Let's go. Ride number 4, Ostrich Stampede. Ride number 5, Zufari Ride into Africa. Now time for a quick lunch stop in Drop and Chicken. Ride number 6, the pirate ship Blue Barnacle. Ride number 7, the Gruffalo. Ride number 8, Sea Store. So we are thinking of doing Mandrill Mayhem back to back in the single rider line as our last 2 rides. So let's do that now. One more time, last ride of the day, ride 10, let's go. Well, on a Saturday in the middle of August and a Friday in the middle of August, peak time, holiday season, we managed 10 rides on both days. so very busy today, mine, but we managed it, so yeah. So that completes today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.